Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common issue some users have faced after updating to iOS 17. Custom ringtones and text tones disappearing. If your favorite sounds have vanished, don't worry, I'll guide you some quick fixes. So let's get started. First, let's check your sound settings. Go to settings, tap on sounds and haptics. Here you can see if your custom tones are still there. Tap on ringtone and scroll through the list to see if your custom tone is there. Next, tap on text tone and scroll through again and do the same. If your custom tones are listed but not playing, try reselecting them. Just tap on the tone you want, then go back and check if it's working or not. If that is not working, let's restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button until you see the slide to power off option. Slide it, wait a few seconds and then turn your phone back on. Next, ensure your phone is updated to the latest version. To do that, go to settings and on general and tap on software update. If there is any update available, simply tap on it. And that's it. You should now have your custom ringtones and text tones back after the iOS update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.